I love the way this green is standing out. It's very, very, very pretty. And I feel like this eyeshadow base really helped to hold the eyeshadow in place. It's really good. I'm gonna leave this in the description box for you guys. So this is my collection Glam Crystal eyeliner. I'm going in now with my black eyeliner. This is from CoverGirl. This is a very soft, a beautiful soft black eyeliner pencil. This is my L'Oreal Paris Black Liquid Liner. Just going to the sides just a little bit here. Because I want to be able to leave room for my black gel glue eyeliner as well when I'm ready to go in with my lashes. So I'm just going in very light with this one from L'Oreal Paris. I'm going in with my Revolution mascara. So these are my lashes. They are called Chance from StarlashesbyOdette. They are beautiful. This is about the 5th or 6th time I'm wearing these lashes. They have been cleaned, all the glue has been removed, and they have been placed back in the package. It's like they've never been used. Beautiful. And this is my black eyeliner, but this is also a glue as well for the lashes. So what I'm going to do in the meantime, now this is really, really lovely. Look at that. And all you need is just a little stroke, and this sticks your lashes down so much. And I prefer to use this eyeliner glue in the corners of my eyes and to the outer corner of my eyes, because this is where I want my lashes to stick. Okay, so let me show you again how I use this. And I have different colors, so they will be going to market shortly. So I just like to go in here, and I'm going to squint a little bit because, you know, I have sensitive eyes, right? So I'm just going to go right here, and you can feel it going on really nice on your eyes. Just like that. And right in the corner, this goes on. You don't have to shake this up, you don't have to do anything like that. It just goes on so nicely. So this way you know that your lashes are guaranteed to stick. And let me just get my lashes out. Here they are. This is my lash tool, and this is from Shawn's Beauty. And I think this is the best tool you can use as opposed to using a tweezer to put your lashes on. And I think because it holds it so well, and I just basically hold it like that, okay, just like so in my hand, as you can see. All right, and I'm just going to go in with my lash glue. And again, when I'm putting on my lash glue on these lashes, I don't go to the end. I stay away from the edges of my lashes. That's how I do it, okay? And there we are. And there we be. So you give this a little second to get a bit tacky. In the meantime, I'm just going to bring my mirror up close. And I'm using my magnifying side, and I always like to look down, and I just put this in the center, just like so, and I just pull it down to the corner, just put it down to the edge, and stick that in. And to the front, I'm just going to stick it right there, and then I'm just going to squeeze it in together. And I'm just going to make sure that the lash is nicely stuck. There we are. The lashes are on. Do you see how easy that was? I remember when I started to wear lashes, it was such a disaster. I remember I had put some lashes on and I went to an event and the lashes flew off because I had no idea how to really secure them. With this, it is so good because even now that I'm blinking, I can feel the tackiness there. So let's just go in and put this one on. And again, hope you guys can see this. I just leave this in the middle, just like so. And I just pull this down to the side and it's stuck right there. And then I can probably just go in with my hands and there we be. So you may see some white on my eyes, but it's going to dry clear. So I'm not worried about that. And I'm just going to squeeze everything together. That's tucked in nicely there. And there we are. The lashes are on. All done. Do you see how simple that works? Very, very easy. I'm going to do a separate tutorial on how I put on my lashes. Again, with this lash glue, it is so easy because I'm always afraid that my lashes are going to come loose and you know the front is going to come off and the back is going to flip up. So that's why I love this product so much. I'm going to be selling this to you guys in a bit. I was going to finish my face off camera, but I thought, you know what, why not just show the folks what I'm doing. So I do have a beauty blender here and I'm just going to spray this a little bit, and this is my NYX matte finish setting spray, just to dampen this a little bit. And I'm just going to tap this off, and I'm going in with my Juvia's Place foundation, and I love this beauty blender, and I think this one was the Friends one. I think, I'm not quite sure, but I don't know which one it is, sorry. So I'm just going to put a little bit of the foundation on here and all over my face, and I'm just going to blend. So I don't feel like going in with any concealer today, so I'm just going to use my NW48 powder, and this is from MAC, and of course I'm trying to pan this as well. So now we are going to do something with the lips. I'm just going to go in with a little lip balm. And I'm going to be using this lipstick from Boohoo, and it's called Lady in Red. So I'm going in with my red lip liner from Becca, and this is called Fun. So I did not go in with any concealer today. So I'm just going to use this collection Prime and Ready Illuminating. It's a setting powder, just a little bit over my face. That's it. As you can see, it gives me a little bit of something on my cheeks, and it feels almost like I do have blush on, but I really don't. So I'm just gonna pay more attention to the cheeks. Just gives me a little bit of color. I don't really want to have too many things on my face. So I'm going to use the NYX Matte Finish Setting Spray. Where is it? Okay. I'll be back in a second. Let me pull my hair down and we're going to talk about this look. Okay, my lovelies, I am back with the finished look of the makeup. What do you guys think? I just knew that I was going to be getting back into this palette sooner or later. I love this palette so much. I did a makeup look in last Saturday's video with this makeup palette. I just love the colors, and I think this is one of those palettes I will definitely be going after, probably on a daily basis or very, very regular. The colors in here are beautiful. The color that you see popping on my eyes is called Greens, which is this one here. Beautiful, beautiful color, and really does remind you of carnival season, Caribana season. The colors are so bright and vibrant and beautiful on your eyes. It is just gorgeous. Love this palette a lot. I would love to hear your thoughts on this makeup look. And of course, I'm wearing my girl on the eyes today. Her name is Chance. I've just added her to my collection, Star Lashes by Odette. All the ordering details will be in the description box below for you guys. Let me come a little close. Hope she's coming across okay for you guys so you can see her. She's quite cute. Love her very much. Nicely tucked in both sides. And of course, I went in with this. This is from Collections. This is a Glam Crystal Dazzling Gel Liner, just to give it a little bit more of a pop. Very, very, very pretty. This is highly recommended for you guys. And the feature product we are going to talk about today is from Inglot, and these are the oil blotting sheets, and these help to remove the oil from your face. Sometimes when you think you need to apply more makeup, apply more powder, all you need to do is just blot the oil away. These are so good. I have a stack of these. I've used these type of sheets in the past where sometimes they leave this film all over your face. This one does not do that. It goes in, it removes all of the oil, and that's it. Highly recommended for you guys. It's from Inglot. If you have any other brand that works for you, that's super well. On that note, this is the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching today. Everything that I use on my face is going to be below. And I thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in today. My name is Odette. I shall see you next time. Toodles.